I'm Rabbi Hassan from Online Money Carrier, and it's the second part of email marketing tutorial series. And in this part, I will explain you the general method of email marketing. It's the first method of email marketing. So, what is email marketing and what is the general method of email marketing? Remember one thing in email marketing, that is, it's all about collecting email to start the email marketing. So at this moment we have no email, we have no email list, we have no subscriber list. So what we have to do, we have to collect emails to start promoting our offers, links, our products in using those email. So first what we have to do, we have to collect some emails. Before start to collecting emails, we in general method we have to do a case study in general method, that how it works and how other people actually working on it. So let's just do a case study before doing this. Okay, I'm giving you the weight loss example. As example, I'm using a weight loss. I'm using weight loss niche, and I'm already in a health site. And let's see. That's it. You can see it. The dialog box is just pop-ups. What it says, that is, take our free 21-day mindful eating challenge. Our nation team will show you how to create lasting healthy eating habits. And to join those the party, and what say, uh, what we have to do, we have to we have to provide our email address, and we have to click I am in. Other newsletter you won't want to miss. Sign up for men's health, sign up for women's health. Okay, the admin just implement a strategy to filter those email address. And what he is doing, he is just filtering as a gender, that this email address is for women's health and this email address is for men's health. Normally abnormal people not going to if you are a man, then not going to, you are not going to interested about women's health, and if you are a woman, then you are not going to interested about men's health. So the admin just filtering the gender and a gender by the email, gender email. So and they are just using the pop-up box, and they're as a triggering thing, triggering what say, okay, I just forgot the word, no problem. Uh, they just use those message, or they just use the sentence to trigger the people's mind, to force them to take action quickly. So no problem, we are not going to sign up, we are not going to uh, subscribe their mail, just because I'm not interested on health niche, and we're going to cut off. So in every website, you will get email subscribing pop-up or box here. If you don't see any pop-ups, then just come down, scroll down to the scroll down to the website of every website, just sorry, you will get a email subscribe box just like that. So that's how they collect all those emails in general method. They're generally collecting all those emails and promoting their offers on those email. And trust me, this method, Gmails are very effective. If you promote some offers on it, then your click ratio will be the click ratio will be 17% out of 100%. Yes, and the open rate will be at the same 17. And click if you have a product link, or if you have a affiliate link, then the links click through rate will be the 15%, which is very 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 huge. So that's why the general method is effective for wait, for normal people. And most of the every digital marketer who just do email marketing, they just use the method to may build a successful and large subscriber list, subscribers mail list. So it's very unique and helpful too. But at this moment we have no website, and we have not enough money to make a website. So we are not going to make a website to collect all those mails. What we will do, we will do the just we will do something. We will make a blog to get all those mail, and we will also implement subscribing subscribing pop up on our blog site to get some subscribers. And but I'm just remember one thing, I'm teaching you the general method for now, just because to teach you, because I have to teach you to understand those and understand the email marketing properly. But if you're new, and if you don't have a website, and if you have a website but if you have no traffic on your website, then I'm not going to suggest you to do the general method. I will suggest you to go do the deeper method to do marketing, email marketing. So for now, what we have to do, if you want to just gain some subscribers, then what you have to do, you have to make a blog, and you have to make a subscribing from which I already showed on my video. But for but I just showed the thing uh, for other reason. But for now I will show the method to how to make a blog, how to make a blog, how to write a blog post, and how to make a subscribing from on every blog post. So that's it for now. And it's the only general method how you can generate the email, and how you can get the subscribers to get some to do the mail marketing. In next video, what you will learn, how to make a how to do a blog post on a blog, and how to make a subscribing from on your blog post. So for now, I'm Rabbi Hassan, signing off for now. Have a nice day. See you in next video. Bye.